Are you looking for a delicious yet powerful way to start your day? A mango and protein coffee combo might be the perfect solution. This unique blend combines the tropical sweetness of mango with the energizing benefits of protein coffee, giving you the best of both worlds, flavor and nutrition. Whether you need a pre-workout boost, a refreshing breakfast alternative, or a midday energy kick, this drink is a game changer. In this article, we'll explore the benefits, ingredients, recipe, and why you should add this combo to your daily routine. Benefits of mango and protein coffee combo. 1. Boosts energy levels. Mango is a natural source of carbohydrates and essential vitamins, while coffee provides caffeine to keep you alert. The combination fuels your body and mind without causing an energy crash. Though rich in protein for muscle recovery. Adding protein to coffee enhances muscle repair and growth, perfect for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you choose whey, plant-based, or collagen protein, this combo supports an active lifestyle. Theme: supports digestion and gut health. Mango is packed with fiber and digestive enzymes like amylases, which help break down food and improve gut health. Combined with the anti-inflammatory benefits of coffee, it promotes better digestion and metabolism. 4. Enhances skin and hair health. 1. Mango contains vitamin A and vitamin C, both essential for glowing skin and strong hair. Protein supports collagen production, making this drink a beauty-boosting powerhouse. 5. Aids in weight management. This combo keeps you full and satisfied, reducing unhealthy cravings. The caffeine in coffee enhances fat burning, while protein preserves lean muscle mass. How to make a mango and protein coffee combo. Ingredients: 1 cup chilled coffee, cold brew or brewed and cooled. 1/2 cup fresh mango chunks, or frozen for a smoothie-like texture. 1 scoop protein powder, whey, plant-based, or collagen. 1/2 cup almond or oat milk for a creamy texture. 1 teaspoon honey or stevia, optional for extra sweetness. Ice cubes, optional for a refreshing touch. Instructions. 1. Blend the mango chunks until smooth. 2. Add the chilled coffee, protein powder, and milk to the blender. 3. Blend again until creamy and frothy. 4. Pour into a glass, add ice cubes if desired, and enjoy. For an extra twist, you can top it with chia seeds, flax seeds, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for added nutrition. Why you should try this combo. Perfect pre-post workout drink. Fuels muscles and speeds up recovery. A refreshing alternative to regular coffee. Adds a tropical twist to your routine. Customizable, can be made vegan, keto-friendly, or dairy-free. A great way to enjoy protein, no boring shakes. This is a treat. Conclusion: if you are tired of the same old coffee and want to add more flavor and health benefits to your routine, this mango and protein coffee combo is a must-try. It's delicious, energizing, and nutritious, a perfect way to start your day or recharge your energy levels. Try it today and experience the ultimate flavorful boost. If you found this article helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Health and Wealth for more healthy and delicious recipes.